Hello everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again in this channel that always give you the information about places in Bali with the update situation. How are you today? I hope you're doing good, stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Okay, so today I'm in Ubud and here is Jalan Raya Ubud. So let's see what's happening here today, guys. And here on the left side, as you can see, is the Pound restaurant, but unfortunately this is the situations today. I think they have been closed quite a while, and also the same situations with this cafe, and this one even empty, guys. And most of the shops or businesses around here on the left side are closed, guys. Really sad to see it. But here on the right side is different situations with Casa Luna restaurant. As you can see from here, they are open and some people enjoying their food and drinks there. It's nice to see that. And also the shop next to Casa Luna restaurant is open. It's Havaiana shop. It's slippers and quite famous now. So if you love Havaianas slippers, you can have a look there, and I think they are giving very good discount. And here unfortunately also closed. I think it's a restaurant, Mumbul restaurant if not mistaken. And here even says the kontrakan means for rent. So I don't know if that restaurant will be able to open again because that place is for rent. Okay, let's continue. Here on the right side, as you can see, a nice shop and they are giving 50% off. So if you're visiting Ubud and like to do shopping in this area, maybe you can have a look there. And here on the left side is Lotus Cafe. They are open too. And it's written they are started their business since 1983, guys. It's been a long time, and that time I wasn't born yet. Here is a Rich Dreamy Cloud. I think it's a new drink from Starbucks. And here on the right side is the Starbucks. So if you love Starbucks and when you are in Ubud, you can come here. And let's see the Saraswati temple. And this is one of the Instagrammable spot in Ubud. This is the situations now. Not so many leaves on the pond. A lot of people like to take picture here for their social media like Instagram, Facebook, and etc. Okay, let's continue. Here is the Lotus Cafe situation. As you can see, it's very quiet. No one is here yet. Hopefully later they can make some business or they can have some customers so that the business will be survive. And here in the front is Carla Spa. As you can see from here, the half price 75k. I think it's for 1 hour massage. But unfortunately, next to it, it's the Uno Ristorante Italiano. Unfortunately, they are remaining closed. Really sad to see it. Hopefully, they will be able to open soon in the future. And here is Jalan Kajang or Kajang Street in Ubud. As you can see there in front of us, there are some people selling some stuff like clothes, foods, and etc. I think these people used to work in tourism field. Since now we don't have any tourism yet, they do whatever they can to make a living. Okay, let's continue. We are getting closer to Ubud Center, where the palace and the market. But here on the right side, as you can see, most of the business are closed. Really sad to see it. And here in the front of us is the Ubud Palace. But before I visit Ubud Palace, let's walk around in this area and let's see what is happening here, guys. Here on the left side is Warung Ibu Oka. So for those of you that love suckling pig, you can try it here at Ibu Oka. It's very famous for the suckling pig in Ubud. And here next to it is the Milk and Madu restaurant, and they are open today. And they have one also in Canggu. I think in Canggu is busier compared than here in Ubud. Okay, let's continue. Let's keep walking to go to Ubud Palace, guys. And here is the Ubud Palace situation. As you can see, it's very quiet. It's almost no one is here. And in front of us is very nice gate, and a lot of people like to take picture there. Here is, we call it gong, guys, or gamelan, but all are covered. And anyway, here in this Ubud Palace, before COVID-19, I used to perform legong dance every evening, start from 6 p.m. But I think because of the situations like this, they stopped performing the legong dance. Hopefully in the future, when we have our tourism back, we will perform the dance again, guys. Okay, let's continue. Let's see a little bit more inside. And this is the situation here. Still very quiet, but nice building around here, Balinese style, a lot of carving. Okay, so that was the Ubud Palace situations today. And this place or this quarter section used to be very busy before COVID-19. It used to be traffic a lot. But today is a smooth drive, not so many cars and scooters. And this is the market situation. A lot of people need to sell their products outside or by the road because the Ubud market under renovations now. Let's walk inside, let's have a look a little bit. This is the situation. I don't know how long it will be the project, but let's see what will happen and how it looks like when it's done. And here is very nice to see some domestic tourists. They are stopping and buying some clothes or dress. Must be very happy for the seller. 1 or 2 sale is very happy for them, considering the situation is like this. I think they are renovating the whole market, guys. And here all the restaurants and cafe, the opposite side of the market, still remaining closed. Really sad to see it. Hopefully they will be able to open soon in the future. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from Ubud Center. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.